All right, you need to find this bright and colorful packet that came home. This is going to be one of the things that I'm going to assign certain pages each day, and you'll send me your homework. You'll take pictures of them like normal, but then I want you to save this packet because this is going to be one of the things that I'm going to ask your parents. There's going to be 3 or 4 things that I want your parents to bring in, and then I will put them into kind of a keepsake memory book for you. So even when this is all done, please don't throw it away. Put it in a special spot because it's going to be one of the things that we bring in. So today we're going to be doing pages 1, 2, and 5. So I'm going to go to page 1. All right, here we are on page 1. Okay, I do want you to do the coloring of the letters and the emojis because this is going to be a keepsake item, so I want it to look really nice, okay? So you can do the coloring first or however you want to do it. And then I'm going to talk about what we're going to write in each section. All right, so the first one says my 4th grade selfie, okay? You might have a little picture if you got your pictures taken at school, and sometimes you get some little ones that you could put in here. Otherwise, a selfie is typically just your head. So you're just going to draw yourself in here and make that look nice, okay? You also can put a picture that you have in there. I'm fine with that. Okay, these are memories about 4th grade, and obviously we were not at school, so we had a special year where we got to be at home learning. And so you're going to have some interesting answers for some of these, okay? Because it was a different year for all of us. So for favorite memory, I just want you to write something in there. Maybe it was an extra fun Google Meet or doing something during the year. It probably would have to be on Google Meet, or maybe it was an assignment or a homework thing that you liked, okay? I smile when I think of this. You know, these are 3 different things, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3. What makes you smile? Maybe you liked having Fridays off, okay? That would be a good one. And maybe somebody said or did something fun on Google Meet. It might have been when you were playing a game with somebody. You could talk about some of the different games that we've played on Google Meet, like Hangman or Connect 4, or those kind of things. And then over here it says one thing I loved learning. You could put something like fractions, or it could be a math thing, or reading books, anything that you want. And then I will totally miss this for the last one. Just write something that you're going to miss about this year, okay? Down here is just created by. That could just be your name down there, okay? And then I'm going to meet you on page 2 because we're also going to be doing that page today. All right, you do not need to fill in all these lines. I do want you to do the coloring, and it just says, what is your best memory from the school year? Maybe you liked coming in to test with me at the beginning of the year. Maybe you liked coming in to do NWEA, okay? Think about something from the school year that was special. Maybe it was that you got to spend more time with your family because you were distance learning, okay? I would say that you could try to fill in 3 or so of the lines. Maybe write it in the middle section, right in the middle, okay? Since we're not using all the letters or all the lines, okay? Maybe try to write it in this middle section, okay? Just something fun, and maybe you want to do 2 things there. It's up to you. Okay, that's going to be page 2 and then the coloring. And then I'm going to meet you on page 5 that we're doing today. All right, this is kind of an all about me page, so it's kind of self-explanatory what you do because you're just filling in the lines. Your name, your birthday, teacher would be me. Spell my name right there, right? Maybe you had other teachers too. Okay, if you worked with some other special teachers, you could write them on there as well. Do your neatest handwriting, okay? And on these things, guys, I don't want you to write nothing. Like, you can't write the word nothing and then not pick something. So come up with something, okay? Some of them are a little bit harder. Athlete, singer, think of just do your best. I don't want you to write nothing on any of them, okay? Favorite group activities would probably have to be something on Google Meet just because we're distance learning, right? Project can be any sort of homework that was assigned, okay? And looks like a read aloud that we did, if you can remember one of those. I know we just read that superhero one, oh, nope, that wasn't for you guys. That was for 3rd grade. So any read aloud there that we read, guys, would be great. You could also you know, favorite group activity could also be watching those movies on Thursday, right? So fill those in and do your coloring, and you will be good to go, right? Add lots of color to your little cute emojis. All right. Doesn't take you long to color those, right? All right. And those are our pages for today. We're going to move around in this booklet, so we won't do all the pages in order. Okay, so make sure you send me those 3 when you are done. And then remember that you need to hang on to this packet. Do not throw it away when we are done. Thanks, guys.